Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So I'd like to start with the quickest way and then I'll show you kind of a full path of how to get into that information. So let's start with opening the dialer because we will use a secret code. Let's tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. A quick disclaimer, if you will ever forget this code, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, so you will be able to enter the website connected with this Nokia device and check all of the codes for it. So the second path is to enter the settings, so let's do it. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And right here we have to also scroll down to the device details, and as you can see here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.